Rutaceae. Rutaceae family. The Rutaceae family is also called citrus family or orange family. Citrus family or orange family. Now we studied about the systematic position of Rutaceae family. The Rutaceae family class is dicotyledons. The dicotyledon characters are four. They are taproot system, reticulate venation of leaves, pentamerous flowers, embryo or seed contain two cotyledons. These are present in the dicotyledons. So the class belongs to dicotyledons. The Rutaceae class belongs to dicotyledons. And the Rutaceae subclass is polypetalae. Polypetalae means petals are in free position. Petals are in free position, called polypetalae. The next one is series. The Rutaceae series is disciflorae. Disc-like structure present below the floral parts. It filled with nectary. So disc-like structure present in the floral parts called disciflorae series. The next Rutaceae order is Geraniales. Geraniales order contains axile placentation. Axile placentation present in the order of Geraniales, and family is Rutaceae. The Rutaceae classification is, or Rutaceae systematic position is class dicotyledons, subclass polypetalae, series disciflorae, order Geraniales, family Rutaceae. Some plants from Rutaceae: Murraya konigi, Karivepa. Murraya konigi is a scientific name. Karivepa is a common name. Murraya konigi, Karivepa. Citrus medica, Madiphalam. Citrus medica, Madiphalam. Citrus auramshifolia, Narinja. Citrus auramshifolia, Narinja. Citrus sinensis, Battai. Citrus sinensis, Battai. Citrus lemon, Nimma. Citrus lemon, Nimma. Feronia limoni. Feronia limoni, Velaga. Ruta graveolens. Ruta graveolens. Common name is Ruta. These are the some important plants from Rutaceae family. Now we studied about the systematic floral vegetative characters, economic importance of Rutaceae family. Now first we discussed about the vegetative characters of Rutaceae plants. The vegetative characters. Before the explanation of vegetative characters, Rutaceae family have about 156 genera and 1800 species. These are distributed in temperate and tropical regions. In India, there are 23 genera and 80 species are present. 23 genera and 80 species are present. So now first we discussed about the habit of Rutaceae. See, here it is Murraya konigi, true plant. It is Citrus limoni, Nimma. And we discussed about the vegetative characters. Vegetative characters of Rutaceae family. The first topic is habit, habitat. Mesophytes. Mesophytes means they are developed in the mesophytic region. The Rutaceae family plants are developed on the mesophytic region called mesophytes. The habitat is perennial trees. Perennial trees means they developed in total years. Every year they developed harvest and they are continuous life in every year, called perennial trees. Rarely annual herbs are present in this family. The plants are, majority plants are perennial trees only. Now, root system. The root system is tap root system and branched root system. Tap root system and branched root system. And comes to the stem. Stem is erect, woody, solid stems in citrus species. The stems are round or cylindrical, and branches, monopodial branches, are present on the shoots. Monopodial branching means from each node only single branch is developed. The smooth surface of shoots, smooth surface of shoots. And comes to the leaf. Leaves are ramel or cauline. Ramel means the leaves are developed on the lateral branches. Leaves are developed on the lateral branches, called ramel. Cauline leaves means the roots, the leaves are developed on the shoot pods, called cauline leaves or ramel leaves. Ramel leaves means the leaves are developed on the lateral branches, called ramel leaves. If the leaves are developed on the main branch, called cauline leaves. Exstipulate, the leaves are exstipulate. Petulate, petule may be small, petule may be small in size. If we observed in citrus, the citrus petule is winged like structure. Here it is wing like structures on the petule. The wing like structure present on the petule in the citrus species. The leaves are shows dorsiventral, dorsal side completely green in color, ventral side light green in color, smooth surface, smooth margin, and terminal apex with reticulate venation. With reticulate venation. In Murraya conegi, monopinnately compound leaves are present. Monopinnately compound leaves are present. On these monopinnately compound leaves, leaflet, more number of leaflets are present. The leaflets are in odd number. So this type of pinnately compound leaves are called heteropinnately compound leaves. Heteropinnately compound leaves. Monopinnately compound leaves means on the primary axis of leaf, of compound leaf, leaflets are present, called monopinnately compound leaf. If that leaflets are in odd number, called heteromonopinnately compound leaf. Heteromonopinnately compound leaf. These leaves are in oval structure. These are also showed smooth surface, smooth margin, and terminal apex with reticulate venation. These leaves of Murraya conegi contains fragrance of smell, fragrance of smell, and citrus species of leaves containing fragrance of oil glands, fragrance of oil glands. And comes to the floral characters, comes to the floral characters. In that floral characters, we discussed about first inflorescence. Usually in the axil of leaf, inflorescence are developed. In the citrus, here it is in the citrus, axillary inflorescence is present. Axile inflorescence is present means axillary part of leaf flowers are developed, called axile inflorescence. In Murraya conegi, terminal inflorescence is present. Here it is terminal part of shoot developed into inflorescence, called terminal inflorescence. Then comes to the flower. There it is flower containing small stalk-like structure, called pedicel. Pedicel is small in structure. Bracteate. Here it is bracts are present. Bracteate. Ebracteolate. Ebracteolates means bracteoles are absent. Ebracteolate. complete flower. Complete flower means four major important parts are present in the flower. Here it is: outer oral calyx, second oral corolla, third oral androecium, fourth oral gynoecium. These four important major parts are present in the flower. That flowers are called complete flower. And the flower belongs to actinomorphic. Here it is, the symbol belongs to actinomorphic. Mean the flower cut into any longitudinal section from the center region. It divided into two equal parts called actinomorphic flowers. Biparient. Biparient means the parient is called calyx and corolla. It can divide it into two colors. Outer parient is green in color, inner parient is in colorful, called heteroparient. Biparient and heteroparient. Biparient and heteroparient. Flowers are hypogynous, shows superior ovary. Flowers are hypogynous, shows superior ovary. And pentamerous flowers. Pentamerous flowers means parent arranged in 5 number, calyx 5, corollas are 5. 5 means penta. Pentamerous flowers are present in the Rutaceae family. Then comes to the floral parts, calyx. Calyx number 5. Here it is number 5 calyx. These are green in color, valvate aestivation, green in color, valvate aestivation. And comes to the corolla. In corolla also 5 corollas are present. These are in quincuntial aestivation. Quincuntial aestivation means from these 5 petals, 2 petals completely present towards outside. Here it is 1 petal, here it is 1 petal. 2 petals completely present towards outside. Remaining 2 petals completely present towards inside. Here it is 1 petal, 1 petal. 2 petals completely, 2 ends to with inside. And remaining only 1 petal, 1 end towards inside, 1 end towards outside. This type of arrangement is called quincuntial aestivation. The color of petal may be white color. In citrus also, petals are in white color. In Murraya konigi also, petals are in white color. In some plants, light yellow color also present. And then comes to the androecium. Androecium may be 5 to 10 or infinity. 5 to 10 or infinity. Androecium 5 to 10 or infinity. Here it is 5 to 10 means 5 anthers to 10 anthers or infinity anthers are present. In Murraya konigi, only 10 anthers are present. The 10 anthers are present in the 2 orals. In each oral, 5 anthers are present. Outer oral anthers are opposite with sepals. Inner oral anthers are opposite with petals. This type of arrangement of anthers are called abdiplostamens. Once again, abdiplostamen means 10 anthers are present in Murraya konigi. From these 10 anthers, 5 anthers are arranged in outer oral and 5 anthers are present in the inner oral. Outer oral 5 anthers are opposite with sepals. And inner oral 5 anthers are opposite with petals. This type of arrangement of anthers are called obdiplostamens. In Siccima of Rutaceae family, only 5 anthers are present. In citrus, more number of anthers are present. The more number of anthers are shows Polydepalus. The Polydepalus anthers are present in the citrus plants. Here it is, each anther containing long style At the terminal part of long stalk-like structure, anther lobes are present. That anthers are shows dithecous anthers. The dithecous anther shows introdes. Introdes means the face towards inside. The face anther face towards inside, towards gynoecium. So these anthers are called introdes anthers. And longitudinally dehiscence. Longitudinal dehiscence means during the releasing of spores, anthers are split into longitudinally. They released pollen grains from microsporangium chambers by the longitudinal dehiscence. Each anther containing long stalk-like structure. On this long stalk-like structure, two lobes, dithecous anthers are present. Each anther containing face towards inside called introdes. Introdes anthers are participated in the longitudinally dehiscence during the releasing of pollen grains. And comes to the gynoecium. The gynoecium in Murraya bicarpellary. Here it is, two carpels are present, bicarpellary. They are syncarpous, means they are fused, means syncarpous. In Limonia, four carpels are present. In Limonia species, in Limonia genus, four carpels are present. In citrus, many carpels are present. 5 to many carpels are present. They are in syncarpous position. Each gynoecium shows central axile part. On the central axile part, ovules are present, called axile placentation. Axile placentation is present in the Rutaceae family. And ovary is superior ovary. Below the ovary, disc-like structure is present. The disc-like structure filled with nectary. It helps in the insect pollination. Here it is, the disc-like structure is present. It helps in the insect pollination. And above these disc-like structure, ovary is present. The ovary containing locules, pentalocules, bilocules or tetralocules. Bilocules in Murraya conigi, tetralocules in Limonia, penta or more locules in citrus other species. They are all locules means chambers are in syncarpous position. Above the ovary, long style is present. Above the style, lobed stigma is present. And this type of ovaries are called superior ovary. They are present in hypogynous flowers. And comes to the pollination. Pollination mainly done by insect pollination. The self-pollination is prevented due to protandry. Self-pollination is prevented by protandry. Protandry means before the development of gynoecium, androeciums are developed called protandry flowers. By these protandry flowers, self-pollination is prohibited or prevented. So compulsory in these flowers, cross-pollination will occur. The cross-pollination done by the insects called insect pollination. And comes to the next point is fruit. The fruits of this family, mainly Hesperidium in the citrus species. These fruits are called Hesperidium fruits. Hesperidium fruits are present in the citrus species. And in Murraya conigi, berry fruits are present. Berry fruits are present. In Ruta species, in Ruta genus, schizocarpic fruits are present. Schizocarpic fruits are present. And comes to the seeds. The seeds belongs to endospermic, and in the seeds, embryo is in large size. The cotyledons are two. These are folded in structure, means endospermic seeds, dicotyledon seeds. In citrus, polyembryony is also observed. In citrus species only, in citrus species of seeds containing polyembryony. That polyembryony belongs to adventitious polyembryony type. Now next is floral formula. The floral formula is actinomorphic. This symbol belongs to actinomorphic. Bisexual means male and female sexual organs are present on the single flower called bisexual. K means calyx or sepals. 5. Here it is, sepals are 5. They are in bracket means gamosepalous. Gamosepalous. Gamosepalous present in this family, only few plants. And C means corolla. Corolla number is 5. They are in free position, mean polypetalous. Androecium 5 to 10. 5 anthers are present in the Sikkima plant and 10 anthers present in the Murraya konigi, and more anthers are present in citrus species. And comes to the gynoecium. The gynoecium containing 2 carpels or 4 carpels or 5 or more than 5 carpels. These all carpels are in bracket means syncarpus. In citrus, 5 carpels are present. They are in syncarpus position. In Murraya konigi, 2 carpels are present. They are in syncarpus position. Below the G or below the 5 or 2 or 4, one line is given. The line belongs to superior ovary. The line belongs to superior ovary. It is the vegetative characters and floral characters of Rutaceae family. Now comes to the economic importance. Economic importance of Rutaceae family. Fruits are rich in various vitamins, provide essential oils, purifies blood, reduce thirst, and various parts of some plants are used medicinally and also used as ornamentals. Fruits are rich in various vitamins, provide essential oils, vitamins mainly C vitamin, ascorbic acid, C vitamin, provide essential oils, purifies blood, reduce thirst, and various parts of some plants are used medicinally and also used ornamentals. Here is some additional economic importance of Rutaceae. This family is important of citrus fruits. Citrus fruits produced vitamins, particularly vitamin C. The vitamin C is also called ascorbic acid, like orange, lemons, sweet lemon, grapefruit. This family is ranked third in food production of plant kingdom. It is the economic importance of Rutaceae family.